Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be working on another Tandberg 3002A. Customer says that one channel is went off and don't work anymore. So as usual we will do full recapping for this guy. And we will tackle a little bit to find the root cause of the problem. Alright, let me open it. I will work on it and will show you the interesting moments because I'm already, I believe, did a walkthrough and show how everything is inside in my previous video. So stay tuned, it should not be long. See you soon. Okay everyone, I just completed recapping. So it's a power supply, it's input amplifiers, rear amplifiers for phone collector, MM and MC, and here is reverse boards with sound controls. All right, now I will power it on and let's see what's wrong with this guy, or it will start working right away. See you in a moment. Okay, there is no miracle. I checked 3 inputs and on all inputs only right channel present. And left channel is dead. So next I will go through circuitry and try to understand where the problem is. See you soon. Okay everyone, after research I found the problem with this relay. Right, as soon as I touch the corner, you see it works. I thought it's connector. I was already cleaning and working out all these large connectors which sits from both sides of the board, here and there, but it's appear much simpler. There no contact on this relay. So let me check what's wrong with this and I will get back to you. Okay, an issue is gone. You see now I can push, quite significantly push, and nothing happens, everything is fine. All levels are there. So looks like it was cold soldering over time, it just cracked. So whenever it happened, I resoldered it carefully and issue is gone. Now I can touch anywhere and everything works with no problems anymore. All right, as simple as that, but it took some time to research the traces, follow the signal path and so on to see where it finally drops. What I mentioned that it's when you power it on, there was no left channel, but after 5 minutes, bam, it was appearing. So that was my first guess. There's something wrong, not with electronics, but with some connectors or mechanical parts. So I had to rework all connectors, deoxidize them, and it didn't help. Then I was looking what else may cause it. I had to follow signal path. I mentioned that if I connect headphones, signal on both channels appears right away. I started looking to delay circuit because when I power it on, take a look, power off. Now power it on, and for first 10 seconds there is nothing, and then it's delayed start relay. Okay, and that relay it actually was connected to delayed start. I checked voltage, it was coming properly, and then on the signals I mentioned that one signal is missing, and then you've seen when I started to push it, signals start to appear. All right, fixed, done. Hope this will be some learning video for you. Really nice amplifier. We can run through the frequency range. So currently I'm feeding 1 volt and we can see the amplitude. So now it's 1 kilohertz, 5, 10, 15, 20. Let's go bigger steps. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. No change. You see how perfect it is. And I'm watching the needles on my VTVM, and it's 200 kilohertz, so there is no change. 300 less than half decibel, 400 1 decibel, 400 kilohertz, and 500 1.5 decibel. 607. See, up to 1 megahertz. It still works just couple decibel less. All right. Pretty clean signal, good levels. Let's see, power control, volume control works smoothly. There's no issues. Very high output voltage, 5 volts peak to peak. Let me see if there are any distortion. All right, and second channel. So, no, full range, 8 volts peak to peak. You may see yourself, no distortion. So really powerful, really good amplifier. All right. Good. So balance spot, one channel, other channel. Good. High frequencies control. See at 10 kilohertz it increase and decrease. Okay. Now let's go to the lower frequency. For example, 1 kilohertz or even lower, 200 hertz. Okay, and bass control. Smaller, bigger. Again, smaller, bigger. Not such big adjustment. Okay, needs to lubricate it a little bit. You see, not always levels much, but that's it. Everything else works. All right, that would be it for this nice amplifier. Hope you enjoy it. All new capacitors. It has 10,000 microfarad in the phono corrector and 1,000 microfarad 80 volts, and like it has like I believe 50 volts power supply, so really high voltage amplifier which gives him a good slope, like, and as a result you've seen it works on the very wide range of frequencies. And this is fully transistor amplifier before microchip era, so technically microchips was present at these days, but they still been designing using transistors. All right, I believe it's somewhere beginning of 80s. All right, thank you for your time, your attention, and continue watching my channel. I have much more to show you. See you. Bye-bye.